Hey you guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 2. I'm here at work. I was running a little late, but I'm here. It is raining. I think that's why I didn't want to get out of bed. Today's gonna be come to work with me because that's just what I'm doing today. Let me show you what it looks like. It looks so beautiful. I love weather like this.
Dude, my mom was like, why did you toss out all your loafers from like the 90s? I was like, I know, right?
For real. Some limes and lemons. I love limes and lemons. She said, oh, it's just something little, but I was just like, no, it's a lot because you thought of me. Alright, so I'm still on lunch. My client's so sweet. I learned that when people be like, oh, it's just a little something, it's like, no, it's not a little something. Like, it's a lot of something. Like, you thought of me and you got me something. So that means a lot. That's, I told her that. I was like, no, like, and these are like fresh from her tree. These lemons and limes, and I'm just like, it just smells so organic. And I love limes. Like, I will cut up a lime, put some salt on it, and like just take like a lime shot. I wanted to show you guys that I went shopping. Let me see. I'm trying to do, oh, here you go. Let me do like a little, like the girlies do with the thumbnails. Let me see. I'm gonna also take a picture too, because we gotta have the content, you know. Ooh, it's gonna be a little car haul. This doesn't look cute though. I don't know. Maybe like this. Not that you can see the U in Ulta, but maybe if I hold it like this, I think you'll know that it's Ulta. It's okay. It's as good as it's gonna get. I like coming to my car when I can, just because I like to decompress. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Ulta this weekend. For us employees, we get 35% off. I think they do it every other month or once a month. It's not once a month. I think it's every other month. Our usual discount is 25% off. So I like to wait until this moment to restock on a lot of my things. So this is mostly hair care. And I saved up my points up until I think I had like $14. So all of this came out to like 50. No, like 60. But it would have been a lot more. I got this cute little holiday set. So this is Lancome, 2 juicy tubes. This mascara primer is my favorite, and then this mascara. I've never tried this, but this isn't even for me. This is for my stocking stuffers. I'm just going to take this one because I'm like, I could put this in the stocking stuffers, and I think this would be completing my stocking stuffers for all the girls, my friends, and then my cousins and my sister. So yeah, all the girls, because then I have like kids things to do, and then my mom and my aunt, but they're different. I have to gift them something different. So yeah, this was 38, and then and then from Pattern I got this edge control. I've been wanting, I use this at work with clients, but I wanted to have this for myself, just for when I do my little swoop, because when I put my hair up and I don't do a swoop, it looks like I have a bald spot, which I want to get the Color Wow, rude, the Color Wow like powder, and do that so it can like look fuller. Sometimes it just be looking like just white. My scalp is like really white, so from my skin to like my scalp, it just looks like a bald spot. And then I needed to re-up on my Whey Detox. This has apple cider vinegar in it, which is one of my favorite ingredients, and because of that, I feel like that's why I love this shampoo. It's so cleansing, but it doesn't leave your hair like squeaky clean. Like it's squeaky clean, like gets rid of oils and product. It does what it needs to do, but it's not like that nasty squeaky thing, and it doesn't make my hair fall out. So this is perfect for me. I love this just for anyone, honestly. Like if you're looking for a nice shampoo, like clarifying, go with this one. So I needed a full size one of that one, because I was actually using, since I was waiting for my 35% off, I was using my little travel size one, and I'm like, I just need to buy the big one. But I knew that this weekend was coming up. And then I got the Pattern gel. This is Stronghold. This is for my boyfriend and my son. They needed a gel, and I was just waiting for, you know, to get more of a discount. It's, I think, just clear. Yeah, it's just clear gel. It smells nice. And then the last thing I got is this Bondi Boost Miracle Hair Mask. So I don't use conditioner. I do when I need to, but this is pretty much my hair routine. So I detox and then I mask, because I only pretty much wash my hair like once or twice a week. What I like about this hair mask is that it's lightweight, and Bondi Boost is the brand that's geared towards hair growth. That's my alarm clock, hold on. Towards hair growth. And then can this thing open? It's because it has jojoba oil. What other kind of oil? Macadamia nut, seed oil, peppermint. Yeah, the peppermint helps stimulate the scalp scalp to grow. So I do remember when I was using this, I can't open this with these nails. I do remember that when I was using this, my hair felt like it was getting longer faster, but I had switched it up because I was swimming and I needed something thicker, and that's why I like this one, because it's it doesn't weigh down my hair. So my hair is like light and airy and flowy, but I needed something thicker when I was swimming because all that chlorine was really drying out my hair. So when I switched over to a different hair mask, it was pulling out my hair. It was too thick, too heavy, and way too fragrant, and it was actually the Way hair mask. So that's why I was just like, you know, a brand can be good and a brand can have like great products, but not all their products are gonna be like good for you. But let me go ahead and clock in. It's Friday, so I don't have to do the nighttime routine with my son. We don't have to do homework or anything, so I'm off the clock. I get to just chill and then watch Wednesday, edit this vlog, and yeah, that's gonna be the rest of my Friday. And I don't think I'm going to vlog when I go back to work anymore, so I believe this is going to be the end of Vlogmas day 2. It's been fun. I'm glad I had that client who was super cool and chill. Her name is Gabby, and she let me film, because I'm just like, sometimes you have people that like that just book with you and they're not like your regular clients, and you can't just like ask them like, can I vlog? So I was so happy that she was there. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow, because tomorrow is day 3 and I don't see anyone who I know that's on my books on Saturday, so for tomorrow. But yeah, I have to go back in. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.